Morning guys, today we are going through remaining DC circuit problems. As in previous lecture by Spark Tech Academy by Saurabh Survasi, you have gone through all type of DC numericals. Only the KVL mesh analysis has been remaining from your syllabus. Now we will be going through KVL mesh analysis problem. Just have a look after it very carefully because it is a very important concept. The 20-volt supply, 20-volt supply, here the 10-volt supply is given, here the 2 ohm resistor and 3 ohm resistor, and here this is the 4 ohm resistor. These are the two loop currents which we are here to calculate the I1 and I2. This is our problem number 4. If you have already seen my previous lectures, you must know how to apply KVL, how to apply KCL, and even series parallel circuits we have gone through. Even in node analysis we have solved the node analysis problems of medium to high difficulty level also. Now it is a medium difficulty level, or you can even say it may be a high difficulty level, because as far as diploma numericals are concerned, this will be the highest difficulty what you will be asked in exam. The loop 3 will not be asked many times. This will be more than sufficient. Still we will be the same concept will be helpful to you in order to solve the third mesh analysis loop also. Now we will go through it. Find I1 and I2. First of all, we will apply KVL for loop 1. Loop 1. This is I1 will be loop 1, I2 will be loop 2 current. This will be loop 1 current and loop 2 current. Now when we apply KVL for loop 1, the equation will be, first try to understand what is KVL. KVL is nothing but summation of voltage rise equal to summation of voltage drops in this circuit or in any circuit, you can say. Now what is voltage rise here? Voltage rise is nothing but a voltage, positive voltage been occurring in the system, and voltage drops are nothing but the I into R drop which will be taking place in the system. Now here what we will be doing is V rise minus summation of V drop is equal to 0 as per KVL. Now for loop 1, simply I will write, as this is taking place, the current assumed is in clockwise direction. I1 is also clockwise and I2 is also clockwise. I will write here I1 is clockwise as well as I2 is also clockwise. Now here plus 20 volt, as the voltage is traveling from negative to positive terminal, that's why plus 20. Now this will be minus because we are traveling in the same direction though this drop will be in the same direction of your current assumed. That's why it will be I1 into 2 minus same direction the I1 here, I1 minus I2 into 4 equal to 0. This will be your equation 1. This will be your equation 1. In this case, we have to go through it. When you solve this sort of example, you will find it as minus 6 I1 plus 4 I2 equal to minus 20. This will be your equation 1. Now, when we apply the KVL for loop 2, KVL for loop 2, here the same equation we will be going through, just the loop will be different. Hence, when you calculate this, we will get as minus 3 I2 minus 4 I2 minus I1 as the current direction will be in clockwise. Here again we are traveling from negative to positive, that's why this will be positive, other rest will be negative. Now from here minus 7 I2 4 I1 is equal to minus 10. This will be the second equation. Now what we will be doing is, we will first find out the delta, where delta is nothing but, we have seen in last example also during our KCL, delta is nothing but the determinant of these two equations. Now the delta will be minus 6 4, from here the I2 will be 4, from here it will be minus 7 is equal to, delta's calculation will be 6 into 7, it will be 42 minus 16, you will be getting as 26. Now for delta 1, you know, just replace the first column with the other parameters, means RHS values, in order to calculate the now here also it will be 140 minus of 40, it will be 180, you can see. Here if you go thoroughly, actually what they have there. Okay, no problem. Now for calculating delta 2, what you will do, minus 6 plus 4, here we will replace this with minus 20 and minus 10. In the same case you will be solving minus 60, it will be only 60. Now here plus 80, it will be 140. Now for calculating I1, as you know, delta 1 divided by delta, it will be 180 divided by 26, and I2 will delta 2 divided by delta, it will be nothing but 140 divided by 26. Now just calculate these values, you will get the answer. Now 180 divided by 26, it is nothing but 6.92 amps, and here if you calculate, you will get as 5.38 amps. Just look very carefully. Just note it down. This problem is very important, as all the sign notifications I have been explained here, as well as which assumptions we are made here, and even we have also gone through the KVL basic formula, as well as stepwise manner. I explained here how to calculate the I1 and I2 with the help of delta 1, delta 2, the solving 1 and 2 equations. Thank you. Just go through it. In next lecture we will be dealing with Norton's theorem, Thevenin's theorem, and also some sort of series parallel problems. Thank you for watching the eSpark Tech Academy, as well as try to subscribe the channel, because I will be motivated in order to upload such kind of problems, the videos regarding concepts, the new concepts, also some competitive exam formulas also, and even I will give you some sort of question bank itself for your MSBT. Thank you very much for watching the eSpark Tech Academy.